Spectranet is the fast-growing internet service provider. We provide services across the top metros today of Delhi NCR, that's Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai and Pune now. The services that we offer are across the consumer and the business-to-business segment, right? Our primary, within the business-to-business segment, we are very strong within the small and medium business segment and in the consumer segment. What does Spectranet do provide, right? So Spectranet's whole focus is in providing amazing internet experience, right? We believe that internet is something that you can have more of. It's something, so our fundamental philosophy when it comes to Spectranet internet services is that of abundance, right? Is to ask why is it that you only have a 2 meg connection? Why is it that you don't have a 20 meg connection? You know, most of the consumers when you look at today have a 512 kbps or a 2 meg or a 4 meg connection, right? The fundamental question that we ask is why don't you have a 40 meg connection, right? Because internet is not a scarce resource which we cannot generate more of. Rather it's something that if you don't use now, it just goes away, right? And that's the fundamental philosophy on the basis of which we've built our business, right? If you look at the products that are being offered by Spectranet today across the segments of business to business as well as consumer segment, right? All our products are focused on giving more to the consumer, right? Not charging a whole lot more, but giving more value, right? Giving an awesome experience, an amazing experience, which is substantially better, which is to the extent of being life-changing better than what they've had in the past, rather what they've had till yesterday, right? I mean, we recently launched our, a little over a year ago, we launched our fiber to the home services, and when we launched our service, what we realized is that what people were usually buying was a 2 meg connection, right? 2 Mbps broadband with 5 GB data, 6 GB data, and they were paying a little over 1,000 rupees for the same thing. You know, we went to market with this whole philosophy of why do you only have a 2 meg connection? Why don't you have more? And today, the products that we offer, the lowest speeds, for example, that you get is 16 Mbps. Essentially, we don't sell a service below 16 Mbps to consumers also today, right? And for the same 1,000 rupees, what you were able to buy a 2 Mbps or a 6 GB connection today, for example, you can buy a 16 Mbps service with something as much as 24 GB of data volume that you can consume, right? And beyond which it still works on, say, 1 or 2 Mbps of speed. Right, thereby giving you an awesome experience, something that our consumers in the Indian markets have never had before. In their organization, and we've gone back to these organizations and we said, hey, you know, you really don't need to rush an internet within your organization, right? If you've got 10 people, let them use as much as they want to use. We've come up with products which make it cost effective for businesses to do that, right? In today's time and age, internet is an enabler. Internet is a sort of a booster shot that every organization needs, right? And especially in scenarios like this, in economic scenarios like this, where you want to do everything to cut down your costs, to reduce your costs, right? And internet is the thing that really allows you to do that, enables you to do that. And you know, something that we're seeing today, you know, internet is the fundamental underlying enabler here, you know, which enables you to make such low cost calls versus what you do today or what you do otherwise, right? Similarly, it enables you to save costs, reduce your expenses in other walks of life as well. When internet itself is affordable, right? But to be able to do that, you need more of it, right? And that's what we've changed. We've gone back to these businesses and we've said, hey, you know, why do you have to use just 1 meg, right? Why are you using 1 meg? Because that's what you need, or because that's what you can afford, right? Or because that's what you have a budget for. We've gone back and we've offered consumers, business consumers, bandwidths which are 4 to 5 times more than what they are currently consuming, without really, you know, breaking their budgets. Well within their budget limits, let's say extending their budgets by 10%, 20%, they are able to get something as much more than, you know, 4 times to 5 times of what they're buying right now, right? Now, this has a huge impact on what businesses can achieve, right? Something as simple as to transfer a file, it took you 10 minutes, you know, or it took you 50 minutes, it took you 1 hour, right? Now you can do the same thing in that much less time. Something that took you 1 hour earlier now takes you 15 minutes to do, right? that 45 minutes is so much more productive for an organization. And when you multiply those 45 minutes by all the people who are being so much more productive, right, it enables the entire organization to move forward faster. And that's the contribution that we are making as Spectranet towards the growth of all our customers, right? Making internet not just affordable, right, but making it abundant as well. So it's not just about going back to the businesses and saying that, hey, you're buying a 1 meg connection for X rupees, I'll sell it to you for X by 2, right? It's about going back to the business and saying, hey, you're spending right now X rupees, right, and getting Y Mbps, right? For the same X rupees, I'll give you 2Y, 3Y, or 4 times of Y, right? Thereby growing your competitive advantage, growing your productivity, right, without really breaking the bank for you guys. That's what Spectranet offers within the business segment. Similarly, going back to the consumer segment, that's exactly what Spectranet offers there as well, right? The service that we offer into the consumer segment, it's a home broadband service, right? It's really not an individual broadband service. You buy a home broadband connection from Spectranet, and then everybody wants to use it, right? Now, earlier also, a home has, let's say, a 2 meg connection, and there are three concurrent users inside the home, mother, father, and the child, or whatever the case may be. If one of them wants to watch YouTube, right, it practically stalls what anybody else can do because of the restricted bandwidth. Okay, but today with a Spectranet broadband connection powered by Fox, our fiber to the home service, which we are selling in Bangalore, Bombay, Chennai, Pune, and parts of Delhi NCR, right? The same home, the same family can buy one connection and do so much more, right? With 16 megs of bandwidth, you can browse, you can watch YouTube, and not just YouTube, right? You can watch high definition YouTube, you can watch multiple channels on YouTube, right? Multiple people can watch it simultaneously. You can use the same connection across multiple devices, right? So suddenly you are that much more liberated, and it's not just about the individual, right? It's about the whole family is so much more productive and so much more liberated that now they really don't need to bother about, I will do my thing once somebody else has stopped doing theirs. Now everybody can do everything simultaneously, right? And we will continue with our philosophy of providing abundant capacity, right, to consumers, because that's what consumers want, right? Because it adds value to consumers' life. So it's not just that the usual question that we get asked is why do I need 10 megs? Why do I need 20 megs? Why don't you just sell me same 2 megs for half the price than what I'm buying from your competitor right now, right? But while we could do that, that is not what we want to do. That is because that is not what create an impact in the consumer's life, right? That is not going to give an awesome experience to our consumers, right? That's not going to make their life more amazing than what it is right now, right? To deliver that amazing experience, what we need to deliver, for example, is a higher bandwidth connection, right? Without breaking their bank, without asking them to pay 5 times, 3 times, 2 times more. And that is what Spectranet is all about, right? Providing more for the same budgets, providing an amazing internet experience across all segments, be it consumer segment or be it business segments.
What are some of your new plans
So
in terms of expansion?
So our focus currently is these cities that we are already present in, and we will continue to expand our footprint within these cities. So we provide fundamentally a wireline service, right? We are a fiber broadband service provider. It takes time to roll out the network, and today the cities that we are operational in, Pune, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon, and Delhi, right? They are large enough markets where our continued focus would be. So, for example, today we provide service in a certain part of Noida. Tomorrow we will provide services in a much larger part of Noida, right? Today it's in some parts of Gurgaon. Tomorrow it will be in all of Gurgaon, right? But are we so that's where our continued focus will be.
Okay.
Urban markets, deeper penetration.
So today you announced an association with the Nimbus. What will be the immediate impact on your overall strategy, or in terms of your positioning, in terms of your revenue model?
So the partnership that we have announced here today with Nimbus, right, enables consumer to buy cost-effective international calling services, right, prepaid calling services, and which they can use across any of the devices that they have, any of the smartphones, or use their computers to call, right. So the partnership that we've announced provides cost-effective international calling with a lot of convenience, something that has not been possible ever before. Right? What our goal is. Our goal is to fundamentally double our subscriber base, take it from current. So, for example, the partnership along with Nimbus has a subscriber base of 25 million active users, right? Is to fundamentally grow that subscriber base. One. Second is to gain a substantial market share within the international calling market itself.